Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching how to improve your worship chord on keyboard part 2. I'm using this song. For you are glorious, I'm mighty to be praised. I know most of you know this song, so I'm going to play it now a bit, then I'll break it down proper. It's on the key of F. Hope you're following. So the progression of this very song. For you are your fa, your so, then your mi, then your la, your re, your fa, up, your so, your do. We are following. And your fa, your so, your mi, zila, your le, fa, opo. That's true. It's very simple. So, but if you play it, just playing it will make sense with all these grace notes and the rest. Alright, so see how I played it. You see? Instead of so I did this is the grace note I added here. So and la instead of for you are, just play for you are. Yeah. See my saw here, saw and re, then saw ti re. From the top again. Remember, once you do this, you play the full chord of your fa immediately. So. Your mi to so kind of chord substitution. You understand? But the melody here is your mi. Hope you got it. Again. Alright, you play your so, your left you play your mi. Also you play your zila from the top again. You are the le, your fa. Hope you got it. Fa la, do fa la, same thing on your left. You understand? That's true. Hope you saw what I did here. Just very simple. On your left, just be descending. On your right, you play your do. The second inversion, understand? Your saw. La. See the movements. left, you just descend. So from the top again. But the one I use here, fa, la, do, fa. On the top again. You are the land, Papa, then do. It's very simple. So let me play you the beat, then we call it a story. I did something here. If you want, you can add it towards the end. That's true. This is your mi, re, di, re, mi, so, fa. Very simple. Let me take it slowly. Mi, re, di, re, mi, so, fa. True. Hope you learned something today. Please guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, drop your feedbacks. Love you guys. God bless.